Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing the Barbell Box. Now, I'm super excited to get into this box. This is another Canadian subscription box. I'm super surprised how many Canadian ones I found when I was like searching around for different subscription boxes to get. Now, this is another like fitness related box, but it also has a bunch of different supplements. They just give a bunch of variety like protein, healthy foods, fitness. I think you get like supplements, different things in there. So I'm just really excited to jump right in. I will have all of the pricing and everything listed down in the description for you guys, but let's just jump right into the box and see what we get this month. So the first thing I see on top of the box is just this cute little card, and I love that it's actually handwritten, and it says, "Naomi, challenging yourself every day is one of the most exciting ways to live. Enjoy your April Barbell Box." So I think that is a super sweet touch that they actually handwrite that and put your name on the card itself. Then we get this card in here, and it comes with all of the stuff that we get for the month, but I'm just going to pull things out and then I'll read off the card as we get them. So the first thing that I see here is this Bowman Nutrition CSC Clear Skin Cocktail. It says there's 3 amazing products all in one: immunity, collagen, and greens. And we get 4 of these. And then it says on the pamphlet, Bowman Nutrition Clear Skin Cocktail packets combine collagen, greens, and immunity support, all in one easy-to-use packet. CSC packets are unflavored and mix easily in smoothies, juice, EAAs, and much more. CSC boosts your immune system and contains 5 essential vitamins, which are vitamins A, B5, C, D, and E, as well as 4 vital minerals: biotin, magnesium, zinc, and manganese. Collagen supports bone and joint health, restores hair, skin, nails, and revitalizes gut health. Greens provide extra nutrition, 13 vegetable and fruit sources, and supports the nervous system. So this sounds like an all-encompassing kind of drink. There, you get a little bit of everything in this one, and it says that it retails for $15. Now, I'm assuming that's $15 for all 4 and not $15 per each packet. I would not pay $15 for this, but I think for all 4 packets, that's a pretty good price. So I'm excited to give this one a try as well. And it says here on the back of the packet, take 1 packet as a meal replacement and or post-workout shake. Mix with 6 to 10 ounces of cold water and shake or blend using a rapid mixer. Mixing can also be done in hot liquids. So that's nice that it gives you a little bit more information on how to mix this. And I like that it's flavorless, so if you want to mix in something else, then you certainly can do that. So the next thing that I see here are these Bowman Nutrition Essential Aminos and BCAAs, and it's just little packs, and we get 4 of them. I'm not seeing, yes, there is a flavor. It's orange juice, and I think all of them are orange juice. We get 4 single servings, and that's what it looks like there. And it says for those, the aminos are the building blocks of protein. Most only tie aminos to muscle gains and protein synthesis, but they are required to function as a human being, including but not limited to physiological functions, metabolism, cognitive ability, etc. Of the 20 aminos, 9 of them are essential. Bowman Nutrition Essentials has all 9 of these essential aminos and is a full spectrum product that can be taken anytime during the day. Their EAAs optimize your overall health and complete protein synthesis. And it just says that it's 5 total calories, and these are gluten-free as well. So they do have the gluten-free symbol there, so that's pretty cool. I don't know if these ones did. Oh yes, these ones did as well. So the skin clear ones, those are gluten-free as well. Now the next thing I see here is this Authentic Bar protein bar, and this is in caramel apple. So I'm excited to try these. We get 2 of these. And it also says that it has 14 grams of protein. And let's look at the back. So it says per bar, it's 280 calories. There's 13 fat. There is 28 carbs, 2 fiber, 20 sugars, and 14 grams of protein. So there's a lot of sugar in this, surprisingly. So I feel like 20 sugars is a lot for a protein bar, but it says the total sugars is 20, and then it includes 18 grams of added sugars. So I'm not sure why you would add 18 grams of sugar to your bar, but I'm certainly going to try it out. And it says here, the authentic bars are by Jacked Factory, the absolutely delicious and most enjoyable nut butter based bar out there. The smooth, sweet, and high protein treat has received its first ever limited edition flavor. Jacked Factory has created a caramel apple authentic bar made with the product's usual main ingredients of peanut butter, honey, and whey isolate. And for the taste, there are caramel bits and apple chips throughout. The macros on the caramel apple bar are around the same as the authentic bars. Other options with 14 grams of protein, 13 fat, 28 carbs, and 280 calories. But they failed to mention the 20 sugars as well. And those retailed for $10 Canadian. And I forgot to mention that the essential amino acids retailed for $12 Canadian for all 4 little packets. Ooh, I'm really excited for the next thing in the box. We have this hazelnut flavored protein powder for hot coffee. And again, we have 4 packets, but we get 2 smaller sized packets here. These are 13 grams each. And then we also get 2 larger 20-gram packets. And they all seem to be, oh no, there's different flavors. Okay, so this is a hazelnut flavor, vanilla flavor. Okay, so we get 2 hazelnut flavors, one in the big and one in the small, and then 2 vanilla flavors, one in the big and one in the small as well. And it says that it has 10 grams of hydrolyzed whey protein, and it also has 10 grams in the large as well. The larger pack has 80 calories, 3.5 from fat. Then we have 3 carbs and 10 grams of protein. No added sugar in this one. And the smaller sized one is 50 calories, no fat, 1 grams of carb, and still 10 grams of protein, and again, no added sugars. And on the card, it says, you can't go wrong with Ala Vanilla protein powdered coffee creamer. Add creamy sweetness and 10 grams of hydrolyzed whey protein powder to your hot coffee, espresso, tea, or hot matcha. It dissolves seamlessly and completely sugar-free, gluten-free, and clump-free. And that's one thing I've noticed with adding just regular protein powder. I get whey isolate powder, and when I've tried to add that to my coffee before, it clumps up so bad. So if this is actually clump free, this might be something that I would repurchase. It says, easily enjoy a satisfying boost of protein at home or on the go. Enjoy aloe in multiple flavors like hazelnut, caramel, and vanilla. Make your hot coffee, mix aloe into it, and stir well and enjoy. So I'm definitely going to be trying this out. And let me know if you've ever tried any protein powder coffee creamers before. I do like my coffee creamer, but it's definitely not protein based. Ooh, the next thing I see in here is this pancake mix. It says it's from Simple Snack Pancakes Mix. Looks like there's 24 grams of protein, 6 fiber, and it's plant-based. And it says you just add water. Oh, and it's double chocolate flavored. So on the back, it just says combine half a cup of pancake mix with half a cup of cold water or milk and mix until well blended. And then I'm assuming you could make, waffles with this the same way. Just put it into your waffle maker. But I have used my protein powder before to make protein waffles, and I actually really like it. So I'm hoping this tastes similar or even better. So far, I'm really liking this box. So for the pancake mix, it was worth $12. Now, the last 2 things I see in this box look like drinks, but I'm not exactly sure what they are. So this says it's Kinetic Fuel Your Life Tropical Citrus, 0 caffeine, 0 sugar, 60 calories. And then the smaller bottle is also from Kinetic Fuel Your Life Concentrate, and it's also Tropical Citrus, 0 caffeine, 0 sugar, 60 calories. So it says it's an energy, clarity, well-being drink. That's interesting. I've never had anything like this before. Okay, so on our little card, it says Ketone RTD and Ketone Concentrate by Kinetic. It's worth $32, so I'm assuming that's for the 2. And it says this delicious, tangy, and effervescent beverage harnesses the power of a new generation of ketones made from plants. Every bottle contains the same ketone molecule our bodies naturally produce. Boost your mental clarity, fuel your athletic performance, and support your diet with up to 4 hours of ketone energy. Fuel your life with Kinetic. They only use essential plant-based ingredients. The brain and body boost you experience comes from ketones and electrolytes combined with a touch of fruit. Kinetic provides a great tasting, pure form of ketone water. Kinetic is keto and intermittent fasting friendly. It's available in a ready-to-drink bottle, 8 ounces or 8 ounces concentrate, both tropical citrus flavors. Make sure to follow the instructions on the concentrate bottle. Okay, so this one's sort of more concentrated and you can see the color difference. So this one must be diluted more, and then this one over here, you must have to dilute down. So I'm wondering if it's more than just 1 serving. Oh, it says 4 servings in this one and 1 serving in this one. So that's kind of cool. So we have like a multi-serving bottle as well. And it says to follow the instructions. So it says mix 1 part concentrate with 3 parts carbonated water over ice. Fancy. But that's kind of interesting, and I'm excited to try the flavor. And I feel like tropical citrus would hopefully taste good, but I don't know because I've never tried any drinks like this before. So let me know if you've ever tried something like this before. Oh, and it actually comes with like 2 little brochure things at the bottom of the thing, so then it gives you some instructions on the back, I guess, on how to do that. So that was everything in this month's box, and I feel like I'm actually going to use everything that came in the box. So we got those 2 drinks, we got some of the coffee creamer protein powders, we got the protein powder cake mix, we also got those clear skin cocktails, we also got the essential BCAA packets, and those little protein bars. So I'm pretty excited with this box, and I'm definitely going to be getting it again next month. Let me know what you guys thought down in the comments below. Is this box worth it for you? Make sure to check the description for all the information, and if there's a coupon code, I will leave it down there for you guys as well. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.